Everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a password on the App Store downloads for games or movies or something like that. So if I go on over to the App Store and I find an app I want to go and download, I can protect this with a PIN. So let's go to ESPN and try to download this. And I think since I already have it in my cloud, it's not going to work since I already have it. Let's go to a different one completely. I've never heard of this before. Let's go to this and download it for the first time. Okay, now it's going to require a PIN before I can download this. So this is a parental control, and I have to type in my PIN before I can download it now. So now it's validating the PIN, and this could help stop someone downloading inappropriate things or using the credit card on random stuff. We can go to account and profile settings, and we have to type in the PIN before we can edit this. Going down to parental controls, and right here we have PIN protect purchases or PIN protect app launches. Prompt for a PIN before launching apps and games, so you can decide which one you want on. You can turn them on or off, etc. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.